Okay.
They got spicy too.
So we're here at Honolulu Poke Bar for lunch. Ooh, Honolulu Poke Bar. Oh, it's so cute. Here's our oysters. Yum. Oh. And then mine is the swordfish. With down here is my baking cabinet, so I'm going to pull all of this out and give it a good clean, and then we'll organize this as well. This is bread flour, or no, this is whole wheat flour. I'm going to go ahead and keep this for now. Some recipes call for that as well. And this bread flour I have, I think I will attempt to make some bread at some point. So I'm going to keep those. So I keep this little baking bin so that I can just grab everything as I need it. Baking powder, I actually need to fill that up. I got some at Sam's Club to do that with. And then this is baking soda. I'm pretty good on that for now. But, oh yeah, look, I had a spill. See, that's why it's good to keep your items in a bin of sorts. In case you do have spills, you can easily clean them. So, but like vanilla and stuff, you know, stuff that you use like often is kind of what I keep in here. And it's specifically for baking. So, I'm gonna redo a few of those bottles, pumpkin pie spice. Yeah, let me clean this one out and then we'll get it all organized. I went ahead and did my baking area, so this looks so much better. I've got flours and sugars, my cocoa, nuts and oatmeal for baking. And then over here is my flour and baking bin. This I keep down here. This tote I keep down here, or this basket, for like holiday stuff or extra stuff like powdered sugar and all of my cookie cutters. cake decorating, that kind of thing. And then over here is just miscellaneous stuff that I don't use very often, but not ready to get rid of yet. So there we go.